Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the forest in VR. First, confirm your computer meets the game's VR specifications for a smooth experience. Next, connect your VR headset and controllers to your PC, ensuring they are properly recognized. Finally, install the forest and any required VR runtime software, like Steam VR, before launching the game. Once everything is set up, launch the forest directly through Steam VR or your headset's dedicated VR dashboard. Take some time to get comfortable with the VR control scheme, especially for movement and camera rotation. Practice interacting with the environment, picking up items, and using the crafting system, which feels very immersive in virtual reality. Survival in the forest VR is intense, so prioritize building a secure shelter on day one to protect yourself from cannibals and mutants. Efficiently manage your inventory and conserve valuable resources like food and water. Always stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings. The immersive VR experience makes encounters much more startling and impactful. To enhance your VR experience, experiment with the in-game VR settings to find what works best for performance and comfort, like adjusting your field of view or locomotion style. Playing with friends in cooperative mode can make the survival challenges more manageable and fun. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.